Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss one very important type on sequence and series. And as you know that sequence and series is very important chapter for entrance examination like JEE, JEE Advanced. And frequently asked question for JEE is one particular type which is popularly known as the VN method. So let's apply the VN method. We have to know what is the exactly VN method and what type of questions are coming in JEE examination. So let's proceed. First of all, this is one sum and we have to find the sum of this. So everyone, generally whenever if it is in the numerator, then there should not be any problem, but the problem comes when this type of sums are coming and when these type of things are in the denominator. Okay, so exactly what is the how to apply the VN method and what is the VN method. So first of all, I am telling you. So in this case, see this VN method is nothing but when will express any Tn in the form of difference of two terms. It means Tn equal to difference of two terms. Commonly, this is known as the VN method, and this is very popular method also. So in this case, what to do? First of all, this particular sum is easy sum. First you see this. In this case, you have to find first Tn. What is the Tn here? Tn is the nth term of 1, 4, 7, 10 into the product of the two terms 4, 7, 10. Okay. So here we have to find the nth term. We have to find the nth term of this series. So what is the nth term of this series? This is coming a plus n minus 1 into d, and in another case that is coming here, the nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is coming here? So this is 3n minus 2 into 3n plus 1. So this nth term we have to express as the difference of two terms, which is commonly known as the VN method. Okay, so let's start. How to do this? In this case, just simple, I am writing here. I am separating as the, this is just I am partially separating and I am writing as the difference of the two terms. What to do? Simply I am writing this thing. 3n minus 2 minus 1 by 3n plus 1. Okay. Now, the denominator is coming, so obviously denominator is coming like this. So numerator what is coming? Let's see whether it is matching with the original. So what is the numerator coming? That is 3n plus 1 minus 3n plus 2. So this is coming 3. So we have to, there is no 3 here. Here it is 1. So this step is under equality sign. Therefore, we have to just express as the equality. So I am multiplying 3 because in the numerator after LCM, it is coming 3. So in this way, we have to solve the sum, and since it is the two-term product, and everybody we know this is not very hard. But whenever this is 3-term, 4-term, 5 terms like that, this type of multiplication is there, which will come later. So problem starts there. So first of all, what we'll do here? So this is Tn. Now Sn equal to summation of Tn. Therefore, this is summation formula if we apply. So if we put n equal to 1 here, this is n equal to 1. So we are getting what? 3, 1 minus 1/4. If we put n equal to 2, we are getting 1/4 minus 1/7. And continuation, if we just put the n equal to n, we are getting what? This is actually, this should be tr. What will get? 1 by 3r, 3n minus 2 minus 1 by 3n minus 1. So this is the question. Now we'll see everybody, all will be cancelled, all terms will be cancelled, and remaining first term and last term. So this is called the, actually this is Vn minus V0 or V0. So this is coming 1 minus 1 by 3n minus 1. So in this way, then we'll calculate, and this is a sum. So what I want to tell you, in this case, remember one thing, that these two terms, whenever actually we have expressed, whenever it is two terms, we have to express as the 1 by a minus 1 by b. So whatever I have done, And excess, actually 1 by a minus 1 by b is what? Whenever we'll express this as a 1 by a minus 1 by b, some adjustment will be there, and whatever we have done in the numerator, that we have to separate. Acha, if it is 3 terms, 1 by a b c, so we have to express like this, 1 by a b minus 1 by b c. If it is 3 terms, or if it is 4 terms, so a b c d, so we have to express like this, 1 by a b c minus 1 by b c d. In IIT type of examination, regularly this type of sums are coming, and really let's understand what is exactly going on, so that after this video you can solve whatever will be the number of terms. Suppose it is a b c d e, we'll express like this, a b c d minus b c d e. Okay, so we'll apply this condition in the next sum. Suppose this is the question where there are 3 terms and we have to find the sum of the sum to the n terms. So what we'll do? First of all, anyhow we have to get the nth term. You see one thing, this is the product of 3. This 1, 4, 7, 10. Another is 4, 7, 10. Another is 7, 10, 13. So first of all, we have to get the rth term TR. So what is the TR? So in this case, first 1a plus, actually we are going to find 1, 4, 7, 10, its nth term. What will you get? A plus n minus 1 into d. Since 3 is the common difference. And for the second case, we are getting 4 plus n minus 1 into 3. And for the third case, we are getting 7 plus n minus 1 into 3. And finally, we are getting TR. Sorry, it will be in terms of R. I'm extremely sorry, it will be in terms of R. These all are R. And TR, finally, we are getting what? Finally, we are getting 3R minus 2 into, since it is R, so it will be in terms of R. 3R plus 1, 3R plus 4. This is the product. Now we have to get the sum to the n terms. So since it is in the form of 1 by a, b, c, since 3 product, we have to express this in terms of what? 1 by a, b minus 1 by b, c. This type of factor, then finally you have to adjust the numerator. So we can write this TR as 1 by 3R minus 2 into 1 by 3R plus 1 minus 1 by 3R plus 1 into 3R plus 4. Now we'll see, just without thinking any way, I have separated. Okay. So we have applied that 1 by ABC method. Now let's see what should be the adjustment in the numerator. Let's apply. Let's see. So if we see the numerator, denominator will be as it is the same thing. Denominator will be as it is the same thing. Let's see the numerator. For a numerator, what we'll do? So if we do the LCM and if we get the numerator, so 3R plus 4 minus 3R minus 2. Actually, 6 is coming. Here it is coming 6. So we have to adjust with the value 6. 1/6. So our TR is ready now. Now this method is called the VN method. Directly we can put VN minus V naught. Otherwise, just I am showing you how it is going on. So if we just put the summation of TR, that is Sn, we are getting what? We are getting here 1 by, if we put R equal to 1, this is 1 into 4 minus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 4 into 7 minus 1 by 7 into 10 plus continuation. If we go through the continuation, what we'll get? The nth term as this 1 by 3n minus 2 into 1 by 3n plus 1 minus 1 by 3n plus 1 into 1 by 3n plus 4. So finally we got it. So if we see everyone that the terms, each term will be cancelled with the others, whatever we have decided, remaining first term and last term. So we are getting finally, we are getting 1/6. First term is 1 by 4 minus last term is 3n plus 1 into 3n plus 4. Okay, so let's come to the another example. And now we can calculate and we'll get the result. So finally, let's go to the next sum. One similar question. Find the sum. Here it has been given. Find the sum up to infinity. What we'll try? Just see here. We have to find the sum till infinity. So how to find the sum till infinity? So let's start solving the sum. So same as this, we have to find the TR. What is the rth term? This is the product of the three. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the product of the three series. 1, 2, 3 into 2, 3, 4 into 3, 4, 5. Therefore, we can say TR equal to, so 1 to, just see one thing, 1 first term for the first series. First term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3. Therefore, nth term is n. So we can say here nth term is n, and this is n plus 1 into, sorry, I'm just getting the r. Just let us get the value of r. This is r. Since we are getting TR, r into r plus 1 into r plus 2. So we can see here it is in the form of 1 by ABC. So we have to express as 1 by AB minus 1 by BC. Now we'll go to the adjustment. This should be the target. So what we'll do now? Now we can write this as TR equal to 1 by r into r plus 1 minus 1 by r plus 1 into r plus 2. Now we have to come to the adjustment. What to do the adjustment here? So numerator we are seeing here. So r, if we do the LCM, denominator so as it is that TR is coming, and numerator is this. So 2 is coming. So adjustment will be half. This is the adjustment. Okay. Now we'll find T1, T2, T3, and finally first term minus last term. So summation of TR, that is r equal to 1 to n, that is a summation, that is Sn. That is Sn equal to what is coming. Once again I am showing you, otherwise directly we can put first term minus last term. So okay, so let's find what we are getting here. 1 into 2 minus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 3 into 4 plus continuation, and we have to write here 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by n plus 2. Okay, so we are seeing here all terms are getting cancelled and remaining first term and last term. So what is the first term and last term? So therefore we are writing here summation equal to half 1 by 2 minus 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. So n tend to, and for s infinity we are getting what? N tend to infinity. So everyone just see one thing. For n tend to infinity, see here, this is coming 0. So answer is coming 1/4. Answer is coming to be 1/4. Okay, everyone. So in this way we'll proceed, and everyone, that VN method I think you have understood properly, and this is a way of solving the sum, and next time I'll come with the more and more standard question. So let's go to one more standard question. Suppose I'm giving you one sum. Suppose TR equal to 2r minus 1 into 2r plus 1 into 2r plus 3 into 2r plus 5. Total divided by 12. Find Suppose limit n tend to infinity, summation of 1 by tr. R equal to 1 to n. So everybody, this is the question. Now, tr we got. Therefore, 1 by tr is coming what? 12 by 12 into 1 by 2r minus 1 into 2r plus 1 into 2r plus 3. We are seeing that common difference is coming to 2. So 2r plus 5. Okay. So this is in the form of, everyone, this is in the form of 1 by a, b, c, d method. So without thinking any matter, anyway, I am just separating this 1 by abc minus 1 by bcd. So if I separate this, we are getting 1 by 12. Always you have to separate as the difference of two terms. So in this case, it is coming what? 1 by 2r minus 1 into 2r plus 1 into 2r plus 3 minus 1 by bcd. That is coming what? 2r plus 1, 2r plus 3, 2r plus 5. Now, let's go to the adjustment in the numerator. So, numerator adjustment will be what? Let's try here. So, denominator will be as it is. Numerator is coming what? Final 2r plus 5 minus, this is coming 2r minus 1. That is coming to be 6. So, our adjustment will be 1/6. Our adjustment will be 1/6. Now, let's apply 1 by tr. So, summation of 1 by tr, r equal to 1 to n. What we are getting? We are finally getting 12 by 6 is 2. And we are getting what? 1 into 3 into 5. What is the reason? That if we put r equal to 1, this is coming 1, this is coming 3, and this is coming 5. Similarly, this is coming 3, 5, 7. Same as this previous case, whatever we are trying. So, minus 1 by 3, 5, 7. Plus 1 by 3, 5, 7 minus 1 by 5, 7, 9. So, finally, what is coming? 1 by 2n minus 1. So, r का जगह पे हम लोग को n का वैल्यू पुट करना है. 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3 minus 1 by 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3, 2n plus 5. So, this is our total calculation. Now, I am going to the cancellation, same as this. Otherwise, directly we could put here the first term minus last term. Okay, so much calculation is not needed. I am giving you so that you can be practice, and this type of sums are very frequently asked question in JEE examination, ISR examination, also everybody JEE advanced ke liye B. So, if we cancel this, we are getting what? First term minus last term. So, finally, we are getting here Sn equal to 2, 1 by 3 into 1 into 3 into 5 का मतलब 1 by 15 minus, that is 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 3 into 2n plus 5. Now n tend to infinity. When n tend to infinity, limit n tend to infinity. So n will go towards infinity. So this term will be, everyone, this term will be coming 0. Therefore, final answer is coming 2 by 15. That is 2 by 15 is the final answer.